Good morning to the Kringle community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olonolu Ayinde, one of the many voices of TBC around the world. This morning I will be talking on turning point. Turning point. A man must be big enough to admit his mistakes, smart enough to profit from them, and strong to correct them. This is a quotation ascribed to Henry Miller. Turning point. Have you heard of Winston Churchill before? He was the Prime Minister of England who doubled as a Nobel laureate for purposeful and excellent leadership. He was a great orator and one of the most quoted speakers of all time. But do you know that Winston Churchill had a severe stammering problem as a child? This stammering was so bad that he became highly embarrassed every time he had to talk, even to his mates. His classmates constantly teased and berated him because of this problem. Then one day, little Wilson made up his mind he was going to prove to the world that he had something to say and would say it. He actually worked on himself to overcome this stuttering, and he became a gifted orator. It wasn't easy, but George Wilson made it. Are you embarrassed now because of some problems you are facing? Are you feeling a sense of inadequacy now because of some limitation and you feel like quitting? Maybe you are at a turning point in your life that will eventually lead to greatness. Don't run away from your problem. Face it, work on it, and win over it. Friends, whatever may be your problem, whatever may be that challenge or that difficulty, you can win over it. If you look at the screen, you will see a puzzle. All you need to do is sit down, focus on it, and what? Do all within your best, either learning skills, developing yourself, and ensure that the puzzle is fixed back to the right spot. And the moment it enters the right spot and is fixed back, done. You are done. Guys, it is possible. And let me say this especially to as many who are watching this, who are listening to me right now. One of the major challenges in our world now is financial problems. And you think you can overcome it. No, you can overcome it. Just get yourself together and fix it. You can. It is well with you. And before I go, I bring you this. One of the ways by which you can fix that problem back is what? True, good, and best programs. And the one I will introduce to you this morning is TBC. If you are not yet a member, I advise you register. You will see a link below this video. Click on that link, register and subscribe to it. You will never remain the same. Thank you. Till I call you next time. Don't forget, click that button by your right hand side to subscribe for subsequent and more broadcasts. Thank you.